हार करें।
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Honorable Dr. Raza Bakir, Honorable Deputy Governor Ma'am Seema Kamil, Honorable President FPCCI Mr. Nasir Hayat, our FPCCI leadership Mia Anjum Nassar and Dr. Shehla Javed Akram, respected SVP Shah Zeb Akram, who has joined us through Zoom, all Vice Presidents, respectable Presidents of the Chambers, and our distinguished guests on the Zoom. Assalamu alaikum. On behalf of FPCCI, I would like to thank the State Bank of Pakistan profusely for inviting us here today. Before me, I see a collection of some of the best and brightest minds the country has to offer, from both private and public sector. Ladies and gentlemen, we live in a time where global progress marches forth at an unprecedented rate. Every single day, some new technology seems to step into the fray, promising to revolutionize finance or business or our very own lives. It is no secret that for many years now, Pakistan hasn't kept pace, and especially in matters of digitization and financial inclusion. But of the very fact that we are holding this session today, it is an indication that this delta between us and the developed world is coming to an end. In you all, I see the future. The leadership of the State Bank under Dr. Raza Bakir, Ma'am Seema Kamil, and their able teams have already shown themselves their willingness, their capability, and their cooperation with the private sector in bringing us into the future. The introduction of Roshan digital account, COVID refinancing facilities, and now RAST digital payment system have all been massive steps in the right direction, but there is still work ahead. Having personally spent over a decade as a corporate banker internationally, and now having sat on the other side of the table as a business owner, I cannot emphasize enough the importance of growing digital inclusion in our economy. The unparalleled efficiency and scale it offers, and the potential for massive cost saving for banks and businesses alike will be crucial in the times to come. In this session, we must consider the requirement that this brings, how to fulfill them. For one, the high cost of hardware required for things like QR codes, NFC payments. They are the barriers to adoption that we must overcome. Now, we can do that by specialized loan for the local production of each equipment on a viable solution. Other barriers include the fee on IBFT that were recently implemented, the reluctance of banks to finance emerging segments, and the unequal distribution of TERFs and SME financing. We intend to discuss the solutions to all of these and more at this session. Once again, I thank the State Bank and its capable leaders for your hospitality and cooperation. I now invite President of FPCCI, Mr. Nasir Hayat, to represent us. Thank you.